Manufacturing colored products that match customer expectations using multiple devices with multiple operators is very challenging. Moving to a zero-waste condition has to be the goal of every printer if they want to survive and thrive in a competitive environment. ChromaChecker provides business intelligence that helps eliminate waste through lean manufacturing methods at every level of production, which can be tracked using the ChromaChecker Print Inspector dashboard, which allows every stakeholder to visualize in real time how all manufacturing is meeting your company's expectations anywhere in the world. ChromaChecker provides real-time feedback of the job sellability to every operator because they have the ability to change how the color is coming off the printing device. If the printing device icon is green, the company and printing device is making money. If icon is red, company is losing money if not fixed immediately. The Print Inspector dashboard reveals the sellability as well as G7 or ISO compliance of every printing device anywhere in the world. It's available through an iOS app, a web browser, or lots of customers like to display the dashboard on a large screen that everyone in the plant can see at the same time. Print Inspector dashboard lists all the printing devices, and on the right side shows a green check if it's sellable or a red X if it's not. The number next to the green or red check communicates the E factor or the expectation factor of how close the printing device is matching any printing reference. Think of the printing reference as a bullseye. The smaller the number, the closer the printing device is to the bullseye or the reference. Then you can apply your shop's E factor to determine if all printers are meeting your expectations and communicate this to all operators and managers and customers within the environment. The E factor number communicates visually how different the print is from the reference. Any number 3 or lower is generally accepted by virtually all print buyers, whereas any number higher than 8 is not accepted by almost all print buyers. Here's what a 9 E factor looks like. So the left side is the reference, the right side is 9 E factor difference. You can see it's quite large. If the printer fails, ChromaChecker then guides the operator to fix the problem to get the printer back into a sellable condition as soon as possible by directing the operator to perform certain maintenance, change paper, potentially create a new G7 curve, or even build a new ICC profile, all within the ChromaChecker environment. More importantly, ChromaChecker will assess how close each printing device is matching to one another. By clicking on the checkbox on the left side of each printer and then selecting the Compare button on the bottom of the screen, ChromaChecker will report the E factor of how close each printer is to one another. This helps you understand how well each printing device is matching, no matter the technology. Even companies with hundreds of printing devices in many locations can instantly see how all manufacturing is performing at any time. Every dot on this graph represents a different printing device, and by clicking on the dot, it will immediately bring you to that printing device, showing you its history. In addition, ChromaChecker can automatically create and email weekly continuous improvement reports showing the past week's results summarized with trend lines for each location and department, each compared to the company average. Details of each report are relevant to each stakeholder, so managers only get reports related to the printers that they're responsible for. Operators only get reports for the printers that they're operating. And in this way, the entire organization knows how they performed last week and know what they need to do to improve in the next week. Even operators get their own reports showing how they performed against the company average. In addition, ChromaChecker can track all secondary variables that affect sellable printing, including the instrument, the lighting, the environment, the plates, the nip pressures and stripes, and even fountain solution. Each of these variables can be assigned to employees to be checked within any predefined period of time, and if they check and pass, icon stays green. But if they fail, the icon turns red, alerting everyone in the print organization that because this variable is failing, it could affect the print process if not fixed. One of our customers replaced 14 paper binders using manual entry data per ISO for 5 printers using ChromaChecker. The Print Inspector dashboard can proactively predict when printing devices will fail or show why they fail immediately by showing red icons. This allows you to transition from a break-fix process to eliminate surprises and last-minute failures which destroy profitability. The Print Inspector dashboard will help your organization transition from a break-fix process to a proactive, preventative process which helps eliminate surprises and last-minute failures which destroy profitability. For instance, loading the wrong paper is the #1 cause for waste, and this example shows the paper E-factor failing, which immediately explains why the printer device is failing sellability. ChromaChecker alerts the operator, telling them to stop printing and check the paper. Ever hear of press operator blame the printing on bad plates? The Print Inspector dashboard will show whether or not the plates have been checked within the defined period via a green icon, or if they've been checked and they're wrong, it'll be red. No more pointing fingers and blaming other departments, and all departments quickly figure out that they're all trying to accomplish the same goal: sellable printing, less waste, more profitability, no finger pointing. Customer job reports can also be created to prove to the customer that your company is meeting their expectations for brand colors and images. In summary, ChromaChecker provides graphic arts organizations with a high-speed on-ramp to transform into a full print manufacturer with key performance indicators related to E-factor and how well the work meets customers' expectations, which will guarantee a reduction in waste and process geared toward zero waste condition to improve the company's profitability from the first week you turn ChromaChecker on. This integration of all variables will not happen overnight, but with the ChromaChecker built-in e-learning modules, it provides a roadmap that guides the operators, managers, and experts through the implementation of the system without interrupting everyday production. Our customers have saved hundreds of thousands of dollars by implementing the ChromaChecker color conformance platform, and I'm sure you will too. We guarantee it.